Welcome back again to my channel. I'm going to make you some sorrel. I've been asked times and times how to make sorrel in your kitchen for Christmas. I'm going to show you how. My trick is I'm going to make it so easy for you. Anybody can do it, alright? So if you want to see how me make my sorrel juice like 1, 2, 3, come on and let's do this. Talk about our ingredients. What you're gonna need. What the sorrel looks like. I have stone ginger wine. I'm using a cup. Now, depending on how many people you're gonna serve for, you might need more than just a cup. But I'm using a cup of stone ginger wine. You can use any wine you have, red label wine, any kind of wine, as long as it's sweet. I'm also gonna use a half a cup of white rum. Again, if you need to be more stronger, you could put more white rum if you want. 2 cups of brown sugar. I do not like to use white granulated sugar for my recipe when I'm making it, so I'm using brown sugar instead. You're also going to need ginger for sure, okay? And you're going to need lemon juice. Come on and let me show you how to make this simple thing. I always boil my sorrel for like about a half an hour. You just let it sit and cool down. Okay guys, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add my ginger into my blender. Ginger into the mixture and boil it along with the sorrel. But I'm showing you an easier way how to get more flavor to your sorrel drink. So you blend this out. Now that is all blended out smooth. Next thing you do, you just pour out that in here. So now you have your ginger all smoothed out in the container. You just go ahead and add the sorrel drink in here. And remember guys, I boil my sorrel. Go ahead and you put your wine. Then you add your white rum, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice in here. Your sugar, I'm putting 2 cups of brown sugar. I'm going to add a couple of pimento seed in here. That's going to make it nice and strong. It will give a nice flavor. And again guys, if you don't want to put your pimento seed in there, you don't have to. But we never made sorrel juice back home without pimento seed. The longer you have this sit, is the better it's going to taste. I'm going to go ahead and put it in a little glass and serve it up so you guys can see. So there you have it guys, I'm all done. My sorrel juice turn up loud. Easy and simple without that whole parade. So there you have it. On behalf of my family to your family, we wish you a Merry Christmas. Don't forget to subscribe. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy! I'm going to let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, a time for we eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.